As part of the Bear Foundation supported Project Aarambh, we have given emphasis for the holistic development of the communities through the farmer producer organization. And one of the key activities that the team has taken at all the FPCs was a pre-season agronomy training of community value chain resource person at the FPCs. Our basic model is a TOT model where the community value chain resource persons get trained and they further go down and train the farmer members of the farmer producer organization. As we can see here at Arya, Katihara and Kandua, we can see that the CVRPs and some of the BOD members of the FPCs are getting trained at the KVKs. So in this program, we have tremendously leveraged the local expertise at the KVKs, especially in training the CVRPs on the agronomy practices. Here they were trained on soil health management, weed management, pest management. These were all trained by the renowned scientists at the KVK centers. One thing which was particularly encouraging was these KVKs in this rural location taking up the initiatives which are there at the laid out at the national level. So I've seen in our team report that the CVRPs were taken to the demonstration plots of natural farming and explained about the concept of natural farming and advantages about it. They were talked about the millet cultivation of the millets and advantages about it, and also even new technologies like the soilless nurseries of vegetables. Like there's several advantages like when they go for the soilless nurseries, the transplanting is more effective. The root damages is particularly low. So these new technologies were also we can see at these KVKs the farmers are getting exposed to the new technologies. So this is one key activity which we undertake every year in this in the farmer producer companies, and we are particularly thankful to the scientists and the officials at the Krishi Vigyan Kendras because they are they welcome this initiative and they have been very supportive throughout the program.